On today's episode, we install my newly built K24 into the EG. My friends Travis and Brian came over to lend a hand, and Brian brought his engine hoist as well. Thinking that the K24 would be too hard to roll underneath the car to mount up, we decided lowering the engine and trans, which will be already connected, down through the top would be the best. Some people will actually use the hoist to lift the front of the car and then roll it under. And that could be an option. That could be. If I had a cradle that was able to support the trans and engine.
The cradle's in the way.
It is.
Oh,
that's the problem. So,
manual?
Right here, it's in the way. I almost had the thought of like, let's just chop it. But it'd kind of be good to use this again. I think we could support it from here for sure.
It looks so light when you're just touching it. This is crazy. The whole thing.
First, I had to grease up the trans fork and ball it pivots on and install the throughout bearing. Full synthetic moly, yeah. This is a nicely painted, wrinkle painted valve cover that I would like to not damage.
I would agree with that.
And in the bay, it's not perfect, but I mean, I would just like to not smash everything up. So the best we could do, you guys, with, I'm gonna put something over this, like a little sheet or something.
Give it a towel.
So I have this towel over here, we'll put over it. And then in the bay, we can put some stuff on the sides, but just be mindful, please.
Those engine mounts look nice.
They are.
They're
beefy, dude. So we got to work attaching the hoist.
good old half inch. Yeah, and I was like, those were like, 8.
Yeah, because I need to, you see how this has this like water piping going this way and all? Like that's not going to be a thing with the new car. It's just going to be a piece, and then I need this. Oh. This right here, just the main coolant piping, that's all I need.
In the burb, actually, I did get a water hoist goes, I think. But plus the chain on here and stuff like that, so these look pretty good too. I'm confident with these bolts. They don't need to be torqued or anything. Okay, those are good. This one should be fine.
That's not going to fit though.
I don't want to take a time to take a bolt out either.
For the one side, we ended up deciding on mounting the chains using the engine mount bolts.
Hard to get on the car.
Perfect.
Yeah.
No, not perfect.
No? Oh, they're not long enough? Ugh. There's grabs.
Good.
Nice.
Ooh.
Oh, I can easily tilt it though. Instead of like trying to pick the whole thing up at once. Oh man.
It's like,
And go.
got it.
Nice. Nice. Yeah.
Yep. So there we go. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, because it's way heavier on the front, I guess. I was trying to get it up without like. Oh, actually. No, I'm done. It's on my one. Set it over here. It's on the ground.
Oh, that's a good guess. A very good garage in here.
I wish they made this with longer threads.
Brian, you need to make a very good garage hoist.
I have a, my shirt as one of my.
Yeah, but this needs to be orange and all very good garaged.
I'll have to paint that once I can paint anything. Alright, bro. The hoist changes the amount of time it takes.
You know, I did this with Trav and Dusan and Juan before.
Oh,
and
yeah?
sliding it under the car. And then I did it once myself, sliding it under the car. And it's so easy with the other engine.
I see.
With this, it's just
Just
not
too
real.
big. If you can lift it that high, you need a lift.
Well, and that's what people do with the hoist. They're like, okay. Nice. Okay, make this easier with the trans then. We lower this where it's just touching the ground.
It won't go a lot lower than it already is, but...
So we can build up to it. We could put something under it.
Oh, this does go lower than I thought. I wasn't doing that earlier. Oh, because it needs the weight. Duh.
Yeah. There you go.
So we can do it. That's awesome.
Perfect. It'll definitely be better with two of us. Alright, Jeff. You just get that side, get this side, Brian. If you could just keep that steady, please. Down. Yeah, thanks.
Maybe.
Rubber mallet.
First attempt, we felt the input shaft go in, but we needed to get a bolt or a mallet or something to persuade the trans a little bit further. Didn't catch it on camera, but we ended up starting a couple bolts and that worked.
That thing is amazing.
I have an engine support for all like it sits on your on the fenders, and you can like put chains and stuff around the. Fire up, good.
Yeah, let's fire it up.
You could if you had gas and like a battery on here.
Yeah.
Okay. Am I clearing that already? That'd be amazing.
It definitely needs to come up.
Hey, do these-
a little bit.
Nah, it's gonna have to come out, Brian.
Yeah.
Up?
Yep.
Yep. So these, yeah, same. Can you guide this one? Is that be hard for me to steer from over there?
Right.
Just want to get it close so I can see where it's at.
It may be tight on this still, even.
Really?
No, it should be good. It's just the bottom here. You might close.
No, you're good. You got plenty of room.
Okay. I think we're clearing everything. Actually, the oil pan might.
Whoa, yeah, we are a little. No, it's gonna have to go up, Brian.
It's like a couple. That should be pretty good.
See what I mean, Will? But the chain is so long, that's why I have to like raise it really high.
A little more, Brian.
Oh, really? No, wow.
It's like
It's the little hood latch.
It's probably just left the hood on the car. Your hood on is so wide though.
So the interesting. Take it slow, Brian. Real slow.
This was getting real awesome. Engine and trans lined up, suspended just above the bay, and being lowered in.
Because it's coming in really tight, but it's perfect.
Yeah. It's
You okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Good, Brian. I'm just wiggling it away from the shock. Tell me when. Keep going, buddy. It's tight over here, Joe.
Pretty close.
It's pretty damn close here.
I don't know. I can see that side. Are we still good on this side?
Yeah, we're still good.
Yeah. This other chain is so tight. This one?
Yes, loose.
Exactly. So I think we're good for it.
Interesting. Okay, right here?
It needs to be like
Okay.
at least.
I'm ready. I'm trying to pull it this way
You're
as
like-
far as possible.
Almost at the right height for this bracket, to be honest. I think you're there. Oh, that your bracket. Actually no, because this needs to go lower. That engine, whatever this bracket is over here, is gonna like.
Is it gonna be?
Way down.
Yeah. Well, it's angled, remember?
Okay.
So we'll have to adjust this angle now. Your pulley's gonna be freaking close.
Yeah,
Well, the
there-
engine's still gotta go like this.
Yes.
Okay.
But yeah, the pulley is still going to be great.
Oh, nice. We gotta go way up.
It still needs to go that way a little bit.
Frame my lady. But it shouldn't hit anything on the passenger side.
So we fought with the engine alignment to the mounts a few times. It didn't work out so well at first. Then Trav came up with the great idea to install the mounts on the engine first, then it could wiggle its way into place.
So close. Oh man. Oh, you probably got a screwdriver. Well, no, what would be?
Because of the...
That's good though. I think we kind of have to have that there still. Okay, you're at almost the right height.
Yes.
I think you're at the right height.
And that threads.
Threads, okay.
Woo! Is it thread?
It is threaded.
Oh!
It's it.
Travis with the great suggestion in the first place to get the mounts on the engine and trans first, because we only have to do the 2 bolts instead of getting all 5. That won the day right there.
Pull right out. This hoist is good to go too. I'm sure you want to shoot that part.
We need to unbolt it here.
And these 2, and then we'll just come right out.
Then we'll do
I don't
it.
think it's doing anything.
Oh yeah, you feel the weight come on the car there.
And the motor tilted a little bit.
Yeah,
That's in.
that's in. Get the crane out.
This thing's so freaking long.
You want to push it this way, Brian?
Yeah.
If you're good, you're good, you're good. If you want to take that towel. All right, boys. It's in. Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah, dude, that was so good.
Got a K-Series car. Woo, look at that.
That's awesome, dude. Look at this.
Holy crap. That looks so good. It's not even on the floor yet because we gotta get the blocks out.
Oh, that's not the warning. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, that's not so bad. I see a number 2.
Sticking out past the bumper.
I see a number 2 from over here, but that's just good rep for the company. Oh, dang.
Dude, tire, man. You get that tug now.
Yeah, it's pretty tough now. Whoa, buddy. Just slow, Brad. Let's see.
Is it closed?
Close. And that's with the towel sitting on top of it.
Yeah, you're definitely close.
I may not have to cut out any of the webbing,
Yeah.
but it'd probably be better.
It feels like
to-
you're hitting something because it's. If I
Maybe,
push down
yeah.
on here, it's coming up on the other side.
So
So you might bump
it'd be
The
better
towel's
to.
Yeah.
Right, the towel's there, but it'd be better to cut it out just because like torque, the engine wiggling. And,
Yeah.
yeah, that was like click.
So we got the engine in. This was a huge step in the process, you guys. It now feels like I've got a K-Series car, even though there's still a ton of work to do.
Take it slow, bro. Real slow. It's coming in really tight. Okay. It's in.
Thank you very much to Brian of Very Good Garage and Trav for all their help today. Subscribe and follow along as this car continues to be built. Thanks for watching and talk to you in the next one.